Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from Binance in the UAE for 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. With the UAE's evolving crypto regulations, it's more important than ever to get this right, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you haven't already, head over to the Binance website or app and complete your KYC verification. It's crucial for withdrawals in the UAE. Once you're logged in, go to the Wallet section at the top of the page. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Next, select USDT from your wallet overview. Click on Withdraw. This will open a new window where you'll need to choose the withdrawal network. For USDT, I recommend using the TRC20 network as it's often faster and cheaper, but double-check for any 2025 updates on Binance's site. Now, enter the recipient address. If you're withdrawing to a bank in the UAE, ensure it's a supported partner like those integrated with Binance for fiat conversions. Remember, in the UAE, you might need to link your account to a local bank or use a service like Binance's Fiat Gateway. Before proceeding, carefully review the withdrawal amount, network fees, and any minimum limits. Fees can vary, so aim to withdraw enough to cover them. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Always enable 2FA if you haven't already. Once submitted, keep an eye on your transaction status in the Transaction History section. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Pro tip: in 2025, the UAE has tightened AML regulations, so ensure your account is compliant to avoid any delays or issues. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Binance in the UAE. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.